Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is Apple's USB SuperDrive. So if you are looking for a way to still use CDs or DVDs, then pick up this optical drive. So I'm sure many of us actually still have DVDs and we have no way to watch them now. So this is great because it plugs right into my Mac and I can put in any CD or DVD and it immediately pops up on the computer. And it has one USB plug that you can plug into your laptop, into your Mac, or into any other device with a USB port. It's very easy to use. You just insert a DVD or a CD and it will immediately accept it and pop up on your computer. So you'll have a file you can click on, watch the contents, and then you just press the eject button and it will eject it for you. So there are no physical buttons on this optical drive, and that's what makes it look so sleek and modern. This is a great optical drive. So if you want a way to have access to CDs or DVDs, then pick up this optical drive by Apple. It's a great purchase, but that's just my point of view.